get away from the hustle and bustle and have fun falling in cold shuttle. Let's sing and dance like a turtle in the puddle. I love my cold shuttle.
Problem solving is a skill we need everywhere. It can be as simple as what to do if a kid realizes at school that he has forgot his bottle at home. Or it can be as complex as to make a space shuttle. The first step of problem solving is to identify the problem and define the problem completely. The second step in problem solving is decomposition. It involves breaking down a complex problem or system into smaller parts that are more manageable and easier to understand. The smaller parts can then be examined and solved or designed individually as they are simpler to work with. The third step in problem solving is pattern recognition. When we decompose a complex problem, we often find patterns among these smaller problems we create. The patterns are similarities or characteristics that some of the problems share. Pattern recognition involves finding the similarities or patterns among small decomposed problems that can help us solve more complex problems more efficiently. The fourth step in problem solving is abstraction. Abstraction is the process of filtering out, ignoring the characteristics of patterns that we don't need in order to concentrate on those that we do. It is also the filtering out of specific details. From this, we create a representation of what we are trying to solve. The fifth step in problem solving is algorithm. An algorithm is a plan, a set of step-by-step instructions to solve a problem. In an algorithm, each instruction is identified and the order in which they should be carried out is planned. The last step in problem solving is evaluating the solution. Evaluation is the process that allows us to make sure our solution does the job it has been designed to do and to think about how it could be improved.
Hello.
Hello. Arya, today let's learn about the problem solving. Okay? And problem solving is a very important skill. Not only in computers, it is important in day-to-day life also. What is problem solving? Arya, for problem solving, we have to break the bigger problem into small chunks. Okay? And then small problems, we have to find the solution. We keep on trying as a hit and trial method. So if one solution will followed, we applied the one solution. If that works, it's okay. If not, then you have to be creative and find another solution. If that works, it's okay. And we keep on repeating till we find the right solution for the problem. Do you understand? Arya, let me explain you problem solving with a rhyme today. Okay? So I will tell you the rhyme of ducks, but this time it's not going to be the 5 little ducks or 10 little ducks. It's going to be the 3 little ducks. Okay? This is the mother duck and these are the 3 little ducks. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And this is the house of the duck. So this baby duck said, today mama we are gonna go outside. So mama said, please go, play and then come back. So 3 little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mama duck said, quack, 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 and how many ducks came back? Only 2 little ducks came back like this. Why? Why only 2 little ducks came back? Because one was not careful enough, fell off the hill. Okay? And then these two little ducks went to the mother and said to the mother, "Mother, quick, quick, quick! Our sister has fell off the hill." They were crying. Mother said, "Why there is no third one?" They said, "Mother, the third one fell off this hill. What to do?" This third little duck tried very hard to climb up, but was not able to climb. Okay, so what we should do now? And the mother duck and these two little ducks went to the same place where the third little duck is there. All ducks are going quack, 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 quack. And now mother duck is looking down. Where is my child? Where is my child? Oh, she has found the third one. But what to do? It's very down, and this duck cannot come up and they cannot get down. So what to do? So what do you think they should do? Can you find some solution so that this duck can come up?
I can have it.
No.
Mama, can we reach my bring the basket and put it down as you go.
Oh, you mean this mother duck, we can send a basket down and get the baby duck sit and then we can pull like a bucket from the well?
Yes.
Okay, but they don't have the rope. And there is not any strong rope we have to. So help them out. Any other solution? But yes, this is a good solution. If you find some good rope, it is very nice solution. Any other solution?
We can make a list so you can go.
Yes, we can do that. We can make a lift. Some nice lift we can make so that this duck can sit there and come up. Like when we go in some malls, we have lift there. We just stand there, it goes down and it goes up, right? We can make that kind of lift. And then when we lift, they can sit and then come up and then come here. Very easily it can be done. So let's make a lift now.
Come.
Okay, Arya, see, we have just made a lift here. See, this is a lift which we have made using the ice cream sticks. Okay, see how it goes? It's going up and it's going down, right?
And the country.
Yes.
And come.
Very good. So duck can sit here. Duck can sit here
And mother duck is waiting there.
yes. So we can make the duck sit there and it will go up and down. So to make this up and down, we cannot do that. It's very big machine, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to use this syringe, this is water. We are going to use the Pascal law to put the water pressure with which we are
I
going.
will do it.
Yes, we will do it. You will do it. So we will just put the pressure here and then it will go like this up and then it is going to go down. We are going to just put the pressure here. Okay? We will put the pressure here, then it will go up and then we will pull and it will come down like this. Okay? Very easy.
I will.
Arya, see, this is a liquid in this syringe, this pipe. Okay, what is going to happen when we are going to push this pistol from here? This liquid will go this side. The force of the water will go this side and push this syringe, this pistol outside. And that force we are going to use on this one, this straw. See this straw. And what will happen? It will push it like this, and due to which it will go up like this. Okay? And then when you pull the syringe back, the force will come this side, the water will come this side, then it will come down again. Do you understand how it's going? Like this, going up and going down. Okay?
And mother duck is waiting for that duck.
Arya, this is the baby duck which is fallen down. So we can put this duck here on the lift. Now she has sat on the lift nicely. What we are going to do, we are going to see, hold this and put the pressure.
No.
Yes. See how it is going? It's going up. You are pushing. Yes, very good. See, it's gone up. See? Okay. See, it's gone up. Now easily mother duck can take it. Mother duck is waiting. Arya, just see. Now, see. Gone up. See. Mother duck is saying. See, Arya, it's gone up. Now mother duck is saying. Quack, 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 quack. Now mother duck and these are having very kissing. Listen, my baby, finally I've met you. And all the family are like, kissing and hugging each other like nicely. And now mother duck said, come, I will take you in my lap. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack. Now all babies happy, quack, 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 quack. And now they're happy together. And thank you, Arya, for helping them, making such a nice lift. See, it is such a nice lift.
Make it fun, make it right, make it fast with the Go Shuttle Flight.